In this video, we are going to cover how to calculate gear ratios. The first method to calculate the gear ratio is to divide the amount of teeth in the driven gear by the amount of teeth in the driver gear. So I equals Z2 divided by Z1. For example, if the driver gear has 15 teeth in it and the driven gear has 32 teeth in it, the gear ratio is 2.13. The gear ratio can also be calculated by dividing the RPM of the driver gear by the RPM of the driven gear. So I equals N1 divided by N2. For example, if the RPM of the driver gear is 800 and the RPM of the driven gear is 100, the gear ratio is 8. We can also calculate the RPM on either one of the gears, if we know the gear ratio, and the RPM of one of the gears. For example, if we know that the gear ratio is 8 and the RPM of the driven gear is 180, then using the gear ratio formula, we can calculate the RPM of the driver gear. So N1 equals I times N2, so 8 times 180 RPM, which equals 1,440 RPM.